If you accidentally deleted your favorite photos, videos, work files, projects, or important documents, or maybe even formatted an external drive or USB flash drive by mistake, it probably happened in a hurry, and you may have noticed the missing files too late. But don't panic, because in many cases your files can still be recovered, and even for free. Today you will learn how EaseUS can recover lost files without spending a single dollar. To download the application, use the link in the pinned comment below. Or open the video description and click the EaseUS download link. On the main website page, it says the software works with all versions of Windows, and you can recover up to 2 GB of deleted files for free. Now click Free Download. If your files were deleted from Drive C, install the program on Drive D, and vice versa. In this tutorial, I'll recover files from a USB flash drive, but first I'll show you that I already created a folder on Drive D for installing EaseUS. I also created a separate folder on Drive D where the recovered files will be saved. Now I'll open the Downloads folder and run the EaseUS installer. Here you can choose any interface language you want. I'll click here to select the installation location for EaseUS. Everything is ready, and I click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, the program will launch automatically. Basically, recovering deleted files with EaseUS only takes 3 simple steps. First, launch the program. Then choose the location where the files were deleted. And finally, start the scanning and recovery process. In the main application window, you can select your local drive, a second physical drive, the recycle bin, or even the desktop. You can also select a specific folder on any drive on your computer. For this video, I'll demonstrate file recovery using a USB flash drive. As you can see, the flash drive currently contains several different files, and for demonstration purposes, I'm going to format it right now. Okay, the flash drive has been formatted, and now I'll start searching for lost data. Recovering files from a local drive, the recycle bin, or any other location works exactly the same way. First, the program starts a quick scan to search for recently deleted files, and as you can see, it's already finding data. The scanning process can take anywhere from a few minutes for small folders to several hours for large drives or damaged partitions. Scanning completed. You can use the left panel and the top filters to quickly find the files you need. There's also a very useful filter that lets you sort files by deletion date. In addition, you can use the search bar to find specific file names or extensions like JPG, DOCX, or PNG. As we can see, EaseUS successfully found all the files that were stored on the flash drive before formatting. Everything is fine with the photos and videos. 3 documents were also restored. Now let's check the audio track. For this demonstration, I only copied a small number of files onto the USB drive, so I'm going to recover all of them at once. But you can simply select only the files you actually want to restore, just check the boxes next to the files you need. Now I'll click Recover. I'm going to save the recovered files into the folder I prepared earlier. My folder for recovered files on Drive D. And now I'll click Save. We will close this window. Let's check how well EaseUS restored my files. Everything looks good so far, almost all files were recovered successfully. However, 2 video files could not be restored properly, most likely because they were damaged. If some recovered files are corrupted, you may need the paid version of the software. To do that, I'll click Upgrade to Unlimited, which opens the EaseUS pricing page. Here you can compare the available plans and choose the option that works best for you. The data recovery version includes additional features such as recovering data from a non-bootable PC, which can definitely justify the price. If you scroll further down the page, you'll also find answers to the most common questions about purchasing EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. After purchasing, I received a license key by email, and now I'm activating the Pro version. The activation completed successfully. Now I'll select my videos again, and click Recover. The program is now repairing and restoring the damaged video files, and now we can check the results. And yes, now the videos are working perfectly and everything has been restored successfully. This video review was recorded in real time without any tricks or fakes, using OBS Studio, so you could clearly see the advantages of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for yourself. This program is simple and easy to use, and the recovery process takes only 3 steps. It also offers an industry-leading recovery success rate. And most importantly, security. The program does not damage your files and does not cause data leaks. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a nice day.